In this demo, we will take a quick tour of the UNDET Point Cloud plugin for ARES Commander. UNDET lets you import and handle point cloud data from any 3D laser scanner or drone mapping system directly inside ARES Commander, regardless of project size or number of scan positions. Besides Point Cloud import, you will find all the necessary tools to control point cloud visibility by enabling and disabling point cloud groups or individual files. You'll also find an easy-to-change coloring mode to see RGB colors, coloring by height, intensity coloring, and additional settings to change the size of point cloud points. When there is no detailed section created and activated, and many points of the point cloud overlap each other, the transparency mode settings can be adjusted to make the main point cloud outlines stand out. Point cloud clipping tools allow you to see the finest details of the point cloud in full resolution. Using the Clip by Line or Clip by Rectangle tools, you will create individual view sections, which will be stored in the Scan Data Manager window. You can always return to the previously created view section from this list. And regardless of how the clipping box was created, you will always be able to change the clipping volume quickly and easily. Viewing a point cloud in a CAD model isn't always easy, and frequently you need to look at another screen loaded with 360-degree panoramic images. But if you use structured point cloud data in UNDET software, point cloud visibility management is as easy and fast as ever, thanks to the unique functions of UNDET Browser, where we combine the 3D point cloud with scanning position 360-degree panoramic images. Special functions enable you to shift the point cloud view section with just one click in the 360-degree panoramic photo, so you can find objects in the point cloud in no time. Use ARES Commander with UNDET for measured building surveys to create floor plans, sections, and elevations. Specialized tools speed up this process, making it faster to insert and customize dynamic blocks or annotate drawings using more than 50 prepared UNDET browser scripts. Turn point cloud data into accurate 3D models with ease. When creating topography plans, specialized tools enable you to drape 2D lines and blocks over point cloud surfaces and make 3D topo plans. To extract terrain mesh, use the automatic feature extraction tools to obtain pure ground surface mesh from an unclassified point cloud. Create contour lines with the Mesh Slicing feature, which can slice surface mesh and get contour lines by any required height step. When creating road profiles from 3D point cloud mesh, specialized UNDET features will allow you to slice mesh and project 2D lines on the selected mesh surfaces by converting them into 3D polylines. Try the UNDET software suite for yourself with a 30-day free trial.